Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Fanttik Slim V7 Pocket Vacuum Cleaner. Reason number 1 is it charges with USB-C. Reason number 2, it's got 2 modes of operation, and that we got a display that shows us the battery percentage. And we have low and high. And reason number 3 is it actually picks up a lot of debris really nice. I love that it's handheld and easy to use, lightweight. Okay, so let's start picking up some debris. There's low. Getting really quiet, but actually does a pretty good job of picking stuff up. Let's go to high. All right. Let's install the brush. Now we can really get the stuff out of the... This would be great for cleaning a car. This is the same type of fabric you might find in a car. Now let's put the crevice tool on. Okay, now we got the crevice tool, turn it on. Let's go to high. Just does a good job of vacuuming. Okay, let's simulate emptying this out. Now, you will get some stuff that sticks to the filter. I like to just kind of tap the stuff off the filter a little bit. And then you're going to rotate that to the unlock position. You do have to take the filter out to empty it. So then you put once in a while you got to clean that filter. But giving it that little tap really does help. And put it back on. Start to the lock position. And now you're ready to go. I really do like this little handheld vacuum cleaner. It even comes with a little cup. So it comes with a little cup that you can just set it on the table so that it's ready to go. And then just take the cup off when you're ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.